Hi everybody, it's Marsha. Can you believe we've done 11 blocks? I'm giving you our last block of the year. It's hard to believe that 2020 is over, although most of us are hoping 21 is a better year. I'm glad that most of you had continued to come in and get the blocks. I hope you enjoyed them. I do want to share a little surprise with you. Numerous people I have talked to, nothing that anybody said, but I did say that I'm not sure about this block. It was right at the start of the COVID thing, and so in this month, new block, I'm giving you some extra fabric, and you can choose to leave this block in or take it out and make a block from my last 2 blocks of the month. Any block you want from either the blue and white, or now I can't remember, you know me, the name of the other one. And if you're happy with it, use it. If you've already put it in, I'm sorry, but if you wish to change April block, this one, there will be extra fabric in your block, so you can do another one. All right, so now for the December 2020 last block, here it is. And I think everybody will like it. And in this 4 blocks, I even wrote on the back of the instruction sheet, these 4 blocks have all marks for your second choice. But at the last minute, I changed it and I put in some of the It's a Breeze instead of all my second color. You can do whatever you want. You'll have enough in your extra strip. If you wish to cut some of the It's a Breeze and put them in here, or you can put it all your second choice color if you wish. However you want, be creative about the area, using what colors. The rest of the block is half square triangle for the little bow tie looking things. Then you have solid 2.5-inch squares to cut, and then smaller pieces as on the direction for the, I'm going to call it a little stairway. You're making 4 mini flying geese with extra corners, and that's your centerpiece. Straightforward, nothing you haven't done in the last 11 months, I keep saying 12. So I hope you like it, and again, use your imagination what you want to do there. Which will now go to what's going to happen in when, Mark? What year?
2021.
So I hope you'll stay tuned. We'll release the block itself on January 29th. But we have other things about the block coming up during the month of January, so stay tuned. You're gonna love the fabric. I'm just saying, you're gonna love the fabric. And I hope you do enjoy it enough to come back next year. It will be the same process as it always has been. You pay for the first block and still with COVID, you can come in every month after it's released and pick up your next block. But the first block will be the $10. So I wish you all a Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, hoping to see some of you at some point, and be happy. Hi everybody, I'm back with Cheryl.
Hi.
I wanted to be with her. We are so glad you enjoy our blocks.
Yep.
And Cheryl will be starting hers in the springtime.
Yep.
And we don't know what she's going to do, so don't even ask. It's
a surprise.
It's a big question mark.
It is a big question mark.
They say we like surprises, and I say, yeah, why not?
Yeah.
So
if we told you up front, it would be no fun at all.
No. I told them they were going to love the fabric next year.
I am so jealous. That's why, honestly, I'm not starting till spring, because Marsha's fabric is so beautiful. I thought, how do you compete with that? You just can't.
Yeah.
So
I paid her to say that, but it's okay.
It is. You're going to love the fabric. It is gorgeous. It's like, it's really nice fabric.
Yeah.
Yep.
So we wish them a happy New Year and Merry Christmas.
Yeah,
And
happy 2021. Let's hope that it's better than 2020 was.
Yep. And you'll come to still enjoy our blocks.
Yes. So we'll see you in 2021. Yay!